If you have pending transfers on your Wells Fargo account, resolving them can be straightforward. Follow these steps to manage and clear any pending transactions. Step 1. Log into your account. Access your Wells Fargo online banking account by entering your username and password. Make sure you are using a secure internet connection. Step 2. Navigate to the Transfers section. Once logged in, locate the Transfers or Activity section in the main menu. This area will show you all your recent transactions, including any pending transfers. Step 3. Review pending transfers. Look for the list of pending transfers. Identify the specific transaction you want to resolve. Take note of the details such as the amount, date, and recipient. Step 4. Contact customer service. If you need assistance with a pending transfer, call Wells Fargo customer service at the number provided on their website or your account statement. Be ready to provide your account information and details about the pending transfer. Step 5. Follow up. After contacting customer service, keep an eye on your account for updates. If the transfer is still pending after a few days, follow up with customer service to ensure the issue is being addressed. By following these steps, you can effectively manage and resolve any pending transfers in your Wells Fargo account. If you have further questions, don't hesitate to reach out to customer support for additional help.